Hi everyone, so I'm Rodrigo Anderson, an AI engineer specialist with more than 7 years of experience, and I want to show you my most recent project, the execution of this project that is a multi-agent RAG system, and I hope that you enjoy. Thank you.
Hi everyone. So this is the project repository that I want to show today. It's a multi-agent key RAG system that I built. And here you could read on the README file all about the context of the project, how to execute that, and also the system architecture. Here we have two main services, the batch embedder and also the chat CLI. So to run the chat CLI, you need to first run the batch embedder that will prepare the data and create the embeddings on the collections on our vector database. So let's start. First, I will show the vector database that we are using, that is Qdrant. You could run it with Docker Compose here, as you can see. Okay, you can access the vector database here locally. As you can see, we don't have any collection for now. That's okay, because we are going to create the collections. We are running the batch service, okay? Before I start the batch service, I want to show you the data folder that we have the documents. We are separating them by context. So HR policies, labor rules, and product manual. You just need to put new markdown files there, and the system will be able to create the vectors on the vector database, okay? So yeah, now we are going to start running. You could use the make to run the rules specific. As you can see, we have a make run embedder rule that you just need to call it and you start to run the service. Okay, as you can see, the service starts to create the collections and put the chunks of the embeddings there. Okay, now if you update, all the collections will be there. Okay, so again, you could run some make rule. I created the run chat CLI that will execute everything that you need to talk with the multi-agent system. Okay, the system finished to run and build. Now the chat CLI will be available and you could start talking with that. Okay, here's the welcome message talking about the available agents specialists. Now I created some questions that to test the system. Let's figure out this one, for example. Okay, as you can see, we have the message of the human, the thinking system, and the two calls. The two calls, the first one, you can see that we are transferred to the specific agent. Then the HR policy specialist response is prepared. After that, pass again to the coordinator, and the coordinator send the answer, as we can see. Okay, let's try other question here, other query. Copy this one and let's test on our system. Okay, that's the system running for this next question. Again, as we can see, we call the above we can see the queries on the vector database that our system is doing. Below we can see the answer of the agent. And going through, you can see the team to call, also the labor rule specialist response that were prepared based on the user query and the retrieval data. And that is the final answer for our system. So that's it that I wanted to show. I hope that you liked it. Thank you very much.